Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Harrods Garage, and this episode we're going to be going through the 1000 subscriber competition. So stay tuned if you want to win. Thanks for tuning in and sticking around. This episode we're going to go through the details of the competition that is coming up. It is a $100 gift card of your choice for an automotive outlet. So either online or in store around the world. It'll just be emailed to yourself if you are the winner. Now, to enter into the competition, all you have to do is click the link below in this video. It'll take you through to Gleam, which is the competition website. You put your details, just your name and email, so we can contact you. I cannot actually see any details until the winner is drawn, and it is drawn by Gleam and not myself. So I cannot choose who wins. It is random. So good luck. All you have to do is click on the link down below in the description, and please don't forget to subscribe. So push that button and the notification bell as well, just to be notified when new episodes come up and more details arise of the competition. It won't be drawn until we hit 1000 subscribers. YouTube has put me at December for 1000, but I want to try to get it done by July. Do you guys think you can help me out with that? And just smash that subscribe button there, hit the notification bell, and click the link below to get yourself into the draw to win $100 gift card. Alright guys, I want you to fill up that comment section with what you would buy with that $100 gift card and where you would buy it from. Right. Head down, start typing in or typing in, depending on what you are viewing this on. No purchase necessary, guys, so head down into the comment section. Each video in June and July that I do will have that link in the description as well, guys. I'll also be putting up notifications in other popular videos as well. So yeah, stay tuned. Looking for the end of July to get this competition done. If you do go into Gleam and see how many days are left, that can change because we do have to hit 1000 subscribers. Alright? So if we're not near it with a couple of days to go, I will extend it for another month and we'll try to hit that 1000 subscribers. Also, once we hit that 1000 subscribers, hopefully we'll start getting in some more revenue and we'll be able to produce better content for you guys. So if you do want to see better content, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell and help me out, and let's get to 1000 subscribers. Thanks for watching, guys, and good luck. I will catch you next episode. Bye. Click on one of these video guys. Nissan, Subaru, or Volkswagen.